Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how to apply this herbal hair mask to your hair. So in the previous video I forgot to tell you that this hair mask costs 155 rupees for 100 grams, because most of you must have thought that all the products mentioned in the previous video are on a costlier side, are all 500 rupees plus, but this product is just 155 rupees and the cheapest among them all, and I feel the most effective of them all. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the process on how to make this product and how do you apply it to your hair. Alright, so change of attire means the last step has already been done. That is, just washed my hair with water while having a bath and just towel dried my hair. I applied no product after that. Not a shampoo, no conditioner, no hair cream, nothing. So I've just towel dried my hair and I've styled it, and that's for it. That's how the product is to be used. So thank you very much for watching this video. It was my step-by-step attempt to show how to use the herbal hair mask. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also comment and share it with your friends. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you next time. Till then, it's me, your Swagfully, signing off for today.